Select the rectangle tool and create a square. Rotate 45 degrees. Select no color for the fill. Pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 2. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Lower the horizontal and vertical scale to 95%. Angle, -3 degrees. Make 120 copies. Go to Object. Pattern. Make. Tile type, brick by row. Decrease the height until the shapes are connected. Select Done. You can remove the spiral now. Select the rectangle tool and create a large rectangle. Select no color for the stroke and select the pattern for the fill. And that's how you create this spiral pattern.